This Porsche 912 has seen better days. Cracked windshield, flat tires, severe corrosion, but I believe it's still worth saving. Let's see what years of neglect have done. The hoses are brittle, the wiring is worn, and corrosion is everywhere. The rust is mostly surface here, but this section has become dangerously weak. Raise the tripod a little. Perfect. Now let's get the side profile and rear section.
All measurements are confirmed. This documentation will serve as our rest.
Now let's inspect every panel. Checking the body lines with a straight edge, the left quarter panel is slightly uneven. The rust removal is complete for hidden damage. Checking the body lines with a straight edge, the left quarter panel is slightly uneven.
From abandonment to perfection, every damaged panel, every rusted surface, and every worn component has been painstakingly restored by skilled hands.
She's running beautifully. Every hour of restoration was worth
Feels
it.
like driving a brand new. Thank you for bringing her back to life.
Take good care of her, and she'll keep making
This isn't just a
memories.
car anymore. It's a piece of history.